Here's the app called Sincerely Off My Chest. Read and write anonymous stories. Pretty interesting app. It's in the top charts in books category. So this app is not exactly like NGL or like Telonym or some anonymous messaging apps. This is different. It's a safe place to get things off your chest and help others. Have secrets, questions, struggles, thoughts, and untold stories. Write them down in anonymous letters and others will respond. You'll receive 3 letters every night. Read others' letters and help them out. Remember, you are not alone in this world. There's always someone out there for you. Write letters to get things off your chest. Receive 3 letters every night at 8 p.m. Respond to strangers. So there are some screenshots. And then, you can just see that. So let's just open it up and see how it works. Just get these letters and then write your own and reply to others. So to create an account, you can just easily do it with Apple ID. And then you can just pick a username here. Then you can just select a pronoun. What would you like to read about? So then you can just and then you can just keep it what's on your mind. You can allow notifications, and then you can just see some things. So that's basically the idea. Like you can get some messages like that, and then what you can do, you can just tap respond in the bottom right. That's the idea, and that's just what it is. Then you just have this. You have like settings. It's a pretty cool app, pretty cool design, kind of like a Clubhouse. You have the theme. You have if you're not happy actually and you want to save privacy, you can just tap to delete account in the bottom. Then so that's basically the idea. You can also write something yourself. From don't use your real name. And then you can just just share your experience and just be completely free and open. Of course, there is no 100% guarantee that it will stay anonymous, but I'm not sure. And then you can just add it like that. Then what you can do, and there is also like Sincerely Club, get more replies, read more, write more. You can receive 10 letters and send more. There is customization. There is 24/7 chat. There's annual subscriptions for $30. And then, you can, if you want to add music or something, then you can just have that. And so that's the idea. And then from you can just write so something like that, and that's the idea. That's basically what it is. And then then you can just tap continue at the bottom, and that's basically the idea. So that's what it is.